Hey guys, welcome back to another Coin Form video. In today's video, yes, we're doing the iPhone 7 deal again since Boost Mobile has actually extended and changed this promotion. It used to be, I believe, they wanted like $49.99 for this phone. Now they lowered it to $30, guys. So yes, I know an iPhone 7 is considered a little bit older now, but still better than an iPhone 6, which a lot of carriers are offering. Some carriers are even offering the iPhone SE now, but like I said, the iPhone 7 is still a decent phone, especially for $30. That's quite a bit of a steal. Sorry, let me put that on vibrate. But yeah, it's not bad, guys. $30 for an iPhone 7, and remember this phone, I mean, suggested retail price is $350, so you're saving quite a bit of money, you know, over $300. So, and that's true, because if you go right now to you try to buy the phone, you know, unlocked, or not even unlocked, but just like outright from a carrier, they're gonna want $350 because that's what Apple says that it's worth. So getting it at $30 is quite a bit of steal. It's still an iPhone, you still get iOS and all that stuff. So, you know, kids like it, and especially it's good for like older people. So, like I said, I still know people that are getting this iPhone as their first phone because it's pretty good for a first phone, especially for $30, like I said, on Boost Mobile. But let's go ahead and see some of the requirements. Not too many. So as you can see, the iPhone 7 for $29.99. This is valid, guys, for a while. This is, geez, October 5th, you know, 2020. So what is that, like 2 months away from the making of this video? So it's quite a bit, a long time. So it says, while supplies last. Now this is the most important thing, guys. Remember, this phone is $30. You know, of course you will have to put it on an unlimited plan and this and that, but guys, $30 for this phone. Like I said, they're gonna sell like hotcakes, especially now that, you know, Boost Mobile's using T-Mobile's network. You know, why not try it out? So it says, while supplies last, like I said, check your local stores because these are in-store purchases only. It says excludes taxes, limited one device per line, available for new customers only. So that's another requirement. Is yes, their supplies is limited. You can only get one device per line. So you have family plans, all that stuff, and for new customers only. It says it requires porting and activation on eligible plans $50 or higher. So you know how Boost Mobile came out with a new, you know, cheaper $10 plans. You're not gonna get this phone for $30 and then get a $10 plan. No, then you make money at least somehow. So they're gonna want you to get on a 50 unlimited plan or higher, and you have to port your number in from a competing carrier that's not Sprint related, guys. New customer, and like I said, limited one. It says and unlimited family plans. It excludes ports from Sprint related carriers in select markets. Now remember, Sprint is basically dead, so if you still have Sprint and you're coming over to Boost Mobile, you cannot get this deal. I wonder how it's going to work now that they're using T-Mobile's network, but you know, that's more for another video, really. Excludes boostmobile.com national retailers. So like I said, you cannot get this through online, which is, I think, good. You know, they're trying to make and incentivize people to go into a local Boost Mobile store and bring business to your local economy, which is good as well, and help out the local businesses that are Boost Mobile local businesses as well, since, you know, they're not corporate, they're usually agent locations or franchises. It says discount applied to stores phone purchase, no cash back, credit or rain check, select models only, no substitution, selection availability vary by retailer. So that's another thing. Let's say you have 5 stores in your local town or your city, whatever. One of them or 2 of them might not have it, but the one that nobody goes to will probably have it. So always check the least popular stores around your area, guys, and most likely you will find this phone. So like I said, it's perfect time if you have Cricket, Metro, or T-Mobile. You can switch over to the Boost Mobile and get this deal, even though, like I said, there's typically or technically using like T-Mobile's towers right now. So $50 higher plan, can be on a family plan, just has to be a 50 or higher plan. New customers only, port in, and while supplies last. Like I said, that's big things. I've been through a couple of these deals, guys, and these supplies do not last long. Like I said, $30. A lot of kids are going back to school, or, you know, homeschooling or whatever they're doing, whatever with the schooling thing, with the whole COVID thing. But $30 is a good deal. So Not too bad, guys. Not too long video, but I thought this video was important to you guys, so why not? So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this a good offer, and would you pick it up for 30 bucks? Thank you.